Let us discuss chapter number 15, probability. So, we have heard every day some statements that is, it will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Then, most probably, someone will stand in the first in the annual exam. Okay, then chances are high that a price of petrol or diesel will go up. Then there are 50-50 chance of India winning the toss, like that. Okay, so here the word probability, doubt, or most probably, chances, etc. used for that shows that uncertainty, that is chances are occurring the events. It can occur. It will probably rain today means it may rain or may not rain. No, so the we are talking about the probability in maths. That is, probability actually starts with gambling. So whenever we are discussing in maths, that everything will be fair and fine. That is, if you are taking a coin, that coin should be a fair coin, that is without any damage. If you are taking a die, that die should be without any damage. That is, if you are, we know that if you throw a die, there are 6 numbers starting with 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 numbers are there. Okay, so if you are throwing a die, a chance of getting any of the 6 numbers is equal. Okay, the same way when you are throwing a die, tossing a coin. So coin, you see, this one is head of the coin and the number return is called tail of the coin. So a chance of getting head or tail, that is same. No, if you are tossing a coin, if it is a fair coin without any damage, a chance of getting head or tail, that is same, that is 1/2. Total outcome is what? One is head, another one is tail. So 2 outcomes are there. Among that one, surely one will occur. Like that, if you are taking a die, if you are throwing a die, any number between 1 to 6 can come. Okay, so that is proven. No, if the die is not damaged one, a fair one. Now, when we are discussing the problems, so let us, we have to know certain things. So we are going to discuss that one. If you are taking a deck of cards means a card containing 52 cards. Okay, 52 cards, and we know that 2 colors they are, that is these 2 blacks and these 2 red. Okay, 52 is divided into 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Okay, now among this 26 and 26, it is again divided into 26 is divided into 13 and 13. Okay, so look at this one. This is called spade cards. This design is called spade cards, and this one is called club cards. This design club, and this one is heart, and this one is diamond. So diamond and heart are red in colors, and spade and club are black in colors. Now look at this one. In that 13 cards, one will be written A. Okay, one will be written A. That is called ace card, ACE, ace card. Okay, this A is written there, that is called ace card. So how many ace cards will be there? 4 ace cards will be there. Okay, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, each design 1 1. So 4 ace cards will be there. Then numbers from 2 to 10 will be there. Numbers from 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then jack, okay, queen and king. That means these three are called face cards. Face cards or cards, you can say another name. So usually in your textbook it is used face cards. So when we are discussing the problems, so when it comes face card, that means J, Q and K, that is jack, queen and king. Okay, now so how many ace cards will be there? 4 ace cards will be there in one pack of one deck of cards. Okay, total number of cards in a deck will be 52, and in that one 4 cards will be ace. And how many face cards will be there? Here 3, here 3, here 3 and this one 3. That means total 12 face cards will be there. Okay, 12 face cards will be there. Understood? Now how many spades cards will be there? 13. Now this design is called spade, and this one is called club, heart and diamond. Each will be 13, 13, 13 like that. Okay, now these are the things you have to remember before solving the problems. Now when you are tossing a coin, that 2 possibility, only head and tail. When you are throwing a die, 6 possibility, that is the numbers from 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 numbers will be there. When you are discussing the cards, total 52 cards will be there. 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Black cards will be spade and club, and red cards will be heart and diamond. And among that one, 4 ace cards will be there, and total 12 face cards will be there. Okay, hope you understood that one. Then we can discuss that problems given in the textbook. Now let us recall, we have learned in 9th standard, that is probability of an event, that is equal to number of outcomes favorable to that event divided by total number of all possible outcomes. Okay, now probability of an event, that's complement of that event, will be 1 minus probability of that event. And the probability of an event lies in between 0 and 1, that is it can be 0 if it is if there is no chance of occurring an event. Then if it is it will be 1 if it is a sure event. Okay, so there is probability will lie in between 0 and 1. It can be 0 and it can be 1, or in between 0 and 1. Okay, now let us discuss example 1. Find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. So when a coin is tossed, there is a chance of getting head and tail. Now head and tail, total outcome will be 2. Among that one, how many heads are there? Only one head is there, so 1 by 2, and getting a tail also 1 by 2. Okay. Now example 2. A bag contains a red ball, a blue ball and a yellow ball. All the balls being of the same size, Kritika takes out a ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that she takes a yellow ball, a red ball and a blue ball? So one red ball is there, one red, one blue and one yellow is there. Okay, so total outcomes will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Now what is the chance of getting a yellow ball? That is only one yellow ball is there. A chance of getting yellow ball is 1 by 3 and a chance of getting blue ball is again 1 by 3 because only one blue ball is there among 3. Now if it is a red ball, a chance of getting that one also 1 by 3. Okay. Now example 3 you see, suppose we throw a die once, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? When we are throwing a die, there are 6 possibilities, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 outcomes will be there. This is the total outcome 6. Okay, your first question is a number greater than 4, which is the number greater than 4, 5 and 6. So probability of getting a number greater than 4 will be 2 by 6. 5 and 6, two numbers are there greater than 4. Total outcome is 6. So it will be 2 by 6. And it is given second one, what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? So less than or equal to 4, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So that will be equal to 4 by 6. Okay. Now third one, fourth problem, example 4, page number 301. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace. So we have discussed now how many ace cards will be there. There will be 4 ace cards in a deck of card. Okay, 4 ace cards will be there. Then out of 52, so getting probability of getting an ace card will be 4 by 52. Now you can cut that one and make it short, 1 by 13. Not an ace card. Not an ace card means what? These are the ace cards, the probability of ace cards. Not an ace card means probability of A dash, that is A complement, that is 1 minus probability of A, that is 1 minus 4 by 52. So take LCM 52 minus 4, that is 48 by 52. Okay, so probability of not getting an ace card will be 42 by 52. Example 5. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? Now, two players are there. One is Sangeeta and other one is Reshma. So, Sangeeta winning, chance of winning Sangeeta is 0.62. So Reshma will be equal to 1 minus 0.62. Why? Together it will be 1 only. So 1 minus 0.62, that is equal to 0.38. So probability of Reshma winning the match will be 1 minus 0.62, that is equal to 0.38. Now example 6. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays, same birthdays? Okay. Now both will have different birthday. Okay. So different birthday means what? So anything can come na, any day. You have to take hint is given, ignoring a leap year. In a year 365 days are there. From that 365 days any day can come. Okay. So if Hamita has 1 day birthday, so other one will be 1 by 365. If you have one's birthday, if you are taking any day in between 365 days, 1. Okay. So leaving that 1, so leave that 1, how many days will remain? 365 minus 1, 364 days will be there. Second one's birthday will be 365, by the chance of that one will be this one. Okay. First one's birthday we are taking that one. Okay. Now then second question is, if they have Savita and Hamita has the same birthday, that means it is 1 by 365. Same birthday means same day it should come, so it will be 1 by 365. Okay. Now example 7. There are 40 students in class 10 of a school, of whom 25 are girls, then 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the names of each student on a separate card, the card being identical. Then she put cards in a bag and stitches them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is a girl, second one a boy? Now 25 girls are there, 15 boys are there. Total how much students are there? Total number of students, that is equal to 25 plus 15, 40 are there. Okay. Probability of a girl, selecting a girl will be, how many girls are there? 25. So 25 by 40. Or probability of selecting a boy will be 15 by 40. Okay, you can cut that one, make it short, otherwise keep it like that. Okay. Or here if you are finding out that one, 1 minus this one, probability of boy, you can find this way also. 1 minus probability of selecting a girl, that means 1 minus 25 by 40. Take LCM, 40 minus 25 by 40, that is equal to 15 by 40, or directly like this also. Now example 8. A box contains 3 blue 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue and red? So 3 blue marbles are there, 2 white are there, then 4 red marbles are there. Okay, so 3 blue marbles, 2 white marbles and 4 red marbles. So total how many marbles are there? 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9 marbles are there. Total 9 marbles are there. So probability of getting a white marble, that is equal to how many white marbles are there? 2 are there. 2 by 9. Then probability of getting a blue marble will be 3 by 9. 3 blue marbles are there. Total 9. Then probability of getting a red marble will be 4 by 9. Now if suppose another color is given, if it is asked probability of getting a yellow marble there, are there any yellow marbles? No. So a probability, if the question is like this and you are asked probability of getting an yellow marble, it will be 0 by 9 or it is equal to 0. Okay, that yellow marbles are not there, so probability will be 0 itself. Okay. Example 9. Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. Then what is the probability that she gets at least one head? Now look at this one. So when 2 coins are tossed, so what are the probability? Like this, 4 probability are there. Why? First coin head can come, second also head can come. First head and second tail, or in first tail second head, or in both tail will come. No. So how many possible outcomes are there? 4 possible outcomes are there. Okay. Now your question is, what is the probability that she gets at least one head? At least, that means kam se kam. Okay, at least one head. So in this 4, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Now here also one head is there, here also one head is there, here 2 heads are there. So what is the chance of getting at least one head? That is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now a carton consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 88 good, then 8 have minor defects and 4 have major defects. Now it is given Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirts which are major defects. One shirt is drawn from the carton. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy? So total 100 shirts are there. So Jimmy will accept only good shirts. So probability that Jimmy will accept that shirt is 88 by 100. Why? Because there 88 good shirts are there. So 88 by total number 100, that is. Now second one is probability of Sujata accepting the a shirt. She will reject only if it is major defects. How many major defects are there? 4 are there. So remove that one from 100. 100 minus 4, 96. So 96 by 100. Minor defects are there, then it's okay. Good are there, then also okay. Otherwise you can add 88 plus 8. that is also 96 by 100. Okay, now look at that 13th problem. Two die, one blue and one gray, are thrown in the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the die is 8, then second one 13, and less than or equal to 12. Now look at this one. So in your textbook it is already given there. So when you are throwing two dice at the same time, there are 36 possibility like this. That is, 1 can come, 2 can come, 1 up to 6 like that, 2 like that, 6. So 36 outcomes will be there. Okay. Now your question is, you have to get 8. Sum of the numbers should be 8. 8, where it will come? 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2 is also 8. Now out of 36, how many is favorable to this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 36. Now 13. So is it possible to get the sum 13? No. Why? Because the largest one is 6 plus 6, that is 12. More than that will not come. So to get a sum 13 is not possible. So it will be 0 by 36. Now less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12 means sum will be 12 in only one case, that is 6, but remaining will be all less than 12, that is 36 less than or equal to 12. It can be equal to 12 also, less than 12 also, that is all the 36 are equal to or less than that one. That means 36 by 36, that is equal to 1.